Namaste. Welcome to my virtual class.
Sir.
Are you enjoying my classroom or not?
Yes, sir. We are
O-
enjoying. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us see. Now we will proceed forward. We were talking about the rules. Now the rules. Come on. Let us see. Subject, verb, and agreement. What here I am hitting upon that when the group is thought, when a group when a group is thought as acting as a unit, when a group is acting as a unit, understood? When a group of people, group of something, when it work as a unit, when a group when a group here you see, when the group is thought of as acting as a unit, what does it mean? When a group is acting as a unit, or when you are thinking that the particular group is working as a unit, singular verb should be used. There are many groups that we think that it is working as a unit. So when you are thinking in this way, then singular verb will be used. Singular verb will be used. Here you see the group, the team, the team. The team is a group of 12 people, 5 people, 6 people. It depends upon the number of the people that is required in the team. But when team is taking as a singular, suppose you are taking team as a unit, so the team is Indian team for cricket is selected. The team is selected. Here you see, though the team is a collective noun, it is a group of the people, group of players, but it is acting as a unit. So singular verb is selected. Is selected. Next example. The committee is divided. The committee is divided. The committee is divided. Committee is divided. The committee is divided. The committee is divided on taking the IIT JEE, taking the examination, Here you see, here the committee may have more than 2, 3, 4, 5 people, but here the committee is working as a unit. I have already told when the group is thought of, here the committee is a group of the people, but here it is thought as a unit. So singular verb is used. Is divided. Is divided. Next example, the board of directors. Write another example. The board of directors. The board of directors the board of directors meets once in a week. Here you see, again I am talking about a group. Here you see the rule. When the group is thought of acting as a unit, here the board of director is working as a unit. So it is here the singular verb. The board of directors meet once in a week. Number 1. The second part of that rule. Understood? Proceed forward. Next rule. There is exception. When the members of a group thought of acting separately, acting what? Acting separately. Acting separately, not as a unit. Here, previously I have described that when the members of a group thought as a unit, then singular verb be used. But here, when the member of a group thought of acting separately, see the word separately, thought of acting separately, plural verb should be used. Plural verb should be used. Here, please see. Previously, we have discussed when the member of a group is thought of a single unit, then its singular verb be used. But here, when the member of a group is thought of acting separately, not as a unit. If it will be used as a unit, plural verb be used. If it will be used as a separately, individually, then if it will be used separately, plural verb should be used. Here, how you see? See the example. The team are arguing. Here you see, the team are arguing. Every players of the team is arguing. So the team are arguing. What are the team? The member of the people separately arguing over who should be their captain. Here you see, here the team are It is not, the team is not working as a unit. The team is working separately. That means each member, each player is arguing over who should be their captain. Now next. The audience, the committee, again, separately. The committee where, here see, here the committee here stands for separately. So the committee were not, the committee were arguing, were not in agreement. The committee were not in agreement on the action taken by. Here you see. Again the word committee. Again the word committee is used separately. So two rules. Remember, my dear children, when the group of when the member of a group, or when a group is thought of acting separately, it may act separately or as a unit. When it will be act as separately, plural verb, committee, the committee where, here it is used as a separately. But if it is taken as unit, the committee was not in the agreement on the action taken by. So next rule. Is there any doubt? May I proceed forward? Two rules. The group, I am talking about the group. When you thought of a group, the group sometimes act as separately, individually, or it acts as a unit. When the member of a group, when the members of group is thought of as a unit, singular verb का use होगा. When it is used as a separately, then plural verb use होगा. Next. When nouns expressing, जब नाउन क्या कर रहा है, एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, when nouns expressing period of time, amount of money, when nouns expressing period of time, amount of money, quality, qualities, qualities. They are considered. They are considered what? They are considered as a single, as a single, as a single unit. Okay. Here you see, when noun expressing period of time, amount of money, or the quality, okay, they will be considered as a singular unit. इसको हम सिंगल यूनिट के रूप में ही लेंगे. क्या लेंगे? कि when the noun that is expressing period of time, amount of noun, or qualities, quantities, qualities, and the period of the time, then it will be considered as singular, single को के रूप में हम इसको कंसीडर करेंगे. Here you see 10 rupee. एग्जाम्पल देखिए. ₹10. 10 rupees. Here you see, it is the amount of the money, but even the 10 rupees, it is an amount of money, but it will be considered as a single unit. Seems too much. Seems too much. Too much for the job. Here you see. Here the amount of the money is 10 rupees. The amount of the money is 10 rupees. It is plural. But as it is working as a single unit, it is working as a what? Single unit. ये single unit के रूप में काम कर रहा है. So seems, s verb plus s. Verb, the basic form of a verb is always plural. How to make it? By adding s or s. So here s is added. Seems. So it is, as it is stand for singular, the basic grammar tells that the singular subject takes singular verb. So here the noun is expressing amount of money which is working as a single unit, considered as a single unit. So singular verb is used. Now next example. Three months. 3 months. 3 months is too long a time to wait. Here you see, very simple. Here again, 3 months. Here it is expressing what? Amount of the period of the time. What is the period of time? That is 3 months. What it is? It is what that is? It is considered as what? Single unit. So is used. 3 months is too long a time to wait. 3 long. Now the number of, next question, next answer. The number of, another example. The number of board members is very small. Here you see, again, here you see the number of board members. It is expressing what? The amount of the people, or the quality or the quantity of the people, or the number of the people. Members, but it is working as what? Single. Then it is used. Okay? Next rule. Have you understood? Next. Another rule. One more rule we may discuss. 4 to 5 rule I have planned to discuss. Till Saturday I will finish it. It is my promise. Please note down all the things that I am teaching you. Now, the expressions like half of, the expressions like half of, 1/2, 2/3, 2/3, part of, or a majority of, Here you see the expression like half of, 1/2, 2/3, part of, a majority of, or lots of, a lot of, etc. Used a singular verb. कब यूज करते हैं? Used a singular verb. कब singular verb का यूज होगा? When it will be used singular verb? Here you see, used as a singular verb. If a singular noun, used a singular verb if a singular noun कब से करेंगे singular verb का? If a singular noun followed by the of, Here you see the expression like half of, 1/2 of, 2/3 of, part of, a majority of, lots of, etc. Number 1, singular verb will be used when a singular noun is followed by the of के पहले singular noun का मोड है. जैसे Here you see how it is followed by a singular noun. Here you see. Here you see how followed by a of. A part of. A part of. Here you see a part is what? Singular noun. A part is a singular noun. And it is followed by of. A part of. A part of the office. Office is closed. A part of the office is closed in the office due to the renovation. Here you see what I have told you. When the expression like half of, one half of, 2/3 of, part of, majority of, a part of, if it will singular verb will be used, then a noun is followed by of. Singular subject is followed by of. A part of. So here a part of the office is closed. Here a part is singular. It is followed by of. So it is taking singular verb. 2/3. One more example. 2/3. 2/3. 2/3 of the 2/3 of the mailing. 2/3 of the mailing list. Here you see 2/3 is a here you see 2/3 singular verb will be used because here we are using of. Singular, when a singular noun is followed by of, singular verb will be used. So the 2/3 of the mailing list has been typed. Here you see, mailing address has been typed. So here you have seen at 4. Dear children, today I have discussed 4 rules. Time, 5 minutes is left. Now it is time for your query. You are required to ask